Ukraine.
Ukraine.
You know Ukraine?
Yeah, I know.
Ukraine is beautiful country.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, you like it.
Yes.
Alright.
Alright.
Ukraine is a beautiful country, you say.
Very beautiful country.
Ukraine, you say.
Hmm?
Ukraine have a beautiful girls. Ukraine.
Do you think so?
Yeah. Hello.
Hello. It's
Yes.
And-
I like Ukraine, of course. Yeah.
I like Ukrainian also.
But how do you feel to be here in Zanzibar?
Hmm?
How do you feel to be here in Zanzibar?
Beautiful. Very good.
Very good. All right.
Alright.
You come with yourself or you come with your friend?
I come with husband.
Yes?
With husband.
Oh, you have a husband.
Yes.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Right?
Yes.
Myself, I'm still so single. So,
You single?
Yeah.
Он один.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
We find
single.
for you another girl from Ukraine.
Yes,
Девочки, кому такого красавчика?
Just do that. Just do that. I need a beautiful girl from Ukraine. Yeah, so if you get me, just
Okay.
link up.
We start to check for you a girl from Ukraine.
Yeah.
Девочки с Украины, смотрите, good luck.
Yes, I'm good luck.
Хороший, подкачанный, африканец. Будете жить в шоколаде, в раю под пальмой, в вечном лете. Приезжайте, пишите в комментариях, я вас познакомлю.